Hey guys, just wanted to update you few things about how psychology in the stock market works. The thing is that I made few videos before. I do not make regular videos, but I make such videos which are very essential and uh, to give you the right knowledge. Okay, the thing is that once you see whenever a breakout is happening, how do you pretend? There is no pretension, right? You cannot assume, or you can just not predict the exact price or exact levels where it will go. We are all surrounded by trend lines and plenty of lines and too much of things, very clean and very dark, very messy, different kind of strategies for different people. The thing is that whatever I suggest, the thing is that my own experience of few years, how I am trying to do it. The thing is that I always follow few things. If I get onto trade bank nifty, this is a bank nifty chart. Okay, I'm talking about the options buyer especially. If I talk about the bank nifty chart, if you see, just follow one thing, that is 200 moving average, and switch it to different time over, right? So switch it to different time frame and you will get the results. Such an important thing. You will switch to different time frame using 200 moving average and you will get results. How it is happening? See, I'll tell you a few things. Okay. uh, this is a chart going on for the analysis. I'll show you here as well. See, if I'm switching to 1 hour chart, okay, I'll just zoom out, and there is no rocket science over here. No rocket science. See, I'll tell you one thing. I just made a trend line. It is a downtrend starting on 25th of October, and it's going down and down and down. You need to understand, if the market sentiment is too much negative, then it will change one day, right? It can never be like it's go down and down, it's go to zero. That doesn't happen. It will stop one day. It will start making range over a place. It will start spending time. Okay, so whenever you see this place, that 36,800 to 35,600 or 35,500, this area, it is making range. It is not getting down and down and down. It's making range over this area. You can see this is a complete range. It means what? The sellers are getting exhausted. Okay, they are not trying to push the price down. The only thing is that if I switch it to around 1 hour chart, my 200 moving average is currently at 37,500 level. That is too much above, means it's very far now. But how I can analyze my scalpings and my option trades, let me show you. If this is opening gap up, okay, it opened gap up, and it was a main trend line of 1 hour chart. This was the main trend line in 1 hour chart. So how I decided to trade? See, the very first 5 minutes, I just looked upon that whether it's taking again a resistance and getting down or not. The only thing is that my psychology of getting it traded is that it touched 200 moving average in 5 minutes chart, and it is getting down. But the third candle, it's 925 candle. It was very important to decide whether it's going to continue or not. It made a doji candle. It's made a indecision candle, which made me confident that now definitely it will definitely have a buying pressure and it will try to go up. And as soon as it just went above the 200 moving average in 500 in 200 moving average in 5 minute time frame, it went up and up. Okay, so I have to decide where. There are few kind of things. If you can make trend lines over a swing, you know that how a trend line works. Every swing where the big red candles are made, it's a kind of a resistance. I made the line. I tried to shoot up, and I had seen that how it is trying to go up and up. So I just switched to 15-minute time frame, and again that was my target. If I try to trade all this, okay, what is my target? My target would be this area, 36,450 area. When it touched over this area, you do not have to wait that और मिल रहा है, like keep on waiting, और मिल जाएगा, और पैसा ले लूँ, और मिल जाएगा, it's showing profit enough. Do you have to see the wicks also? India, what is India wicks? India wicks is right currently going down. So do not expect a good momentum in option buying as well. You will lose money in option buying if you keep on holding. If you see that momentum is going and you are getting a profit of 10-15,000, if you keep on holding, it will come to 3,000 with the same level. You feel like, oh my god, it's going up and up, the why profits going down, because VIX is going down. So this kind of things really makes the difference. You have to understand that how is it's going to help you out. So this is a 15-minute chart and it has already trying to cross it. See, this is a complete bullish candle going up. See, it will try to go, and this over area, this is 36,521. See the line I had made, a good line on the weekly chart I had made. Okay, 36,521. It will try to go and touch over here, and will make a range till 1 to 2 hours, and will try to definitely break the range and will go up till what? 36,700. If it is break out, it will try to go with this area also. This is not a very hard to decide or hard to analyze. This is very simple. So what if I had to decide my next target? My next target would be this. Okay, if it is going too much of bullish, means 36,900 or something, it will come down also maybe. So this area 36,900 would be my next target if it's going too much of bullish over this. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow also. Okay, so all these things correlate with it. I only suggest you, I for my personal thing, I only look upon 200 moving average. If it justifies my kind of trading style, I go for it. इसके अलावा अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, if you are switching to different tips tricks, कुछ काम नहीं आने वाले, because इंडिया वेक्स और वोलेटिलिटी टिप्स और टिक कॉल से नहीं मेंटेन होगा दोस्त, ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा. फॉर माई करेंट पोजिशन, ये कुछ मैंने शॉपिंग करी है. ओके, दिस वाज शॉपिंग डन बाय मी. Okay, plus minus, this is a actual profit till now. If I get there's no too much of greed. Every day I target for every day 20,000 30,000, I get more than that. Okay, even if I get 40,000 after getting brokerages done, so that is a good thing for me. Okay, so you need to understand how you analyze the market, और चीज़ें बहुत easy हो जाएंगी if you just follow few things. Fine. So try doing practice out of it. Just 200 moving average यूज़ करो, switch to different time. अगर नीचे गिर चुका है ऑलरेडी मार्केट, सो 200 मूविंग एवरेज ऊपर है, आपका टारगेट वही हो सकता है. अगर आपको पोजिशनल करके जाना है, हेजिंग करके जाओ, विदाउट मत जाना. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू इट इंट्राडे, आप इन चीज़ों को देखो, आप लेवल्स को भी देखो, स्विंग लेवल्स क्या हैं, ये आपका टारगेट हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो ट्राई टू ट्रेड, डो नॉट ट्राई टू ट्रेड विथ फोमो. कॉन्फिडेंट रहो, ऑर्डर पंच करते टाइम डर नहीं लगना चाहिए. दैट इज़ हाउ मेक अ गुड मनी. देयर इज़ नो अदर वे टू गुड मनी. और अभी इक्विटी इन्वेस्टिंग में ज़्यादा ध्यान दो, क्योंकि मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है, ओवरसोल्ड है. सो ट्राई टेकिंग पोजीशंस इन गुड स्टॉक, ब्लू चिप स्टॉक्स जो बहुत अच्छे चलने वाले हैं. HDFC बैंक, ICICI बैंक, एक्सिस बैंक, ये सारी चीज़ें, SBI इवन इफ गुड. सी ऑल द बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स आर गोइंग गुड, 1-2% अप. Reliance as well. So okay, so do not try to fall in trap of getting too much of noise in your head by watching news channels, different news channels. देखो, it's very good, it's important to watch news channels, right, to get the sentiment. At least पता होना चाहिए ना कि इकोनॉमी में क्या हो रहा है, देश में क्या हो रहा है. But do not go for the blind things. Every human has a right to be wrong, right? Every decision. The thing is that किसी ने आपको बोल दिया that try to buy this, and if it's go wrong, you start abusing them. It is your fault. How you decided that whether it's true or not? कैसे आपको पता चला? That's it's very important, or very good or not, or very important decision or not. It's the right decision or not. कैसे मालूम चला? You keep on just following people blindly. Try to learn things. Whenever you ask someone on the Twitter or somebody that please help me, I had lost this much of money, उनसे ये पूछो, can you try help me learning all this? If you change your attitude, you will definitely have money from the markets. Okay, so once you start with a good note, you will definitely end with a good note. Okay, so that's all for today. I do not know when I'll upload the next video. Whenever I'll get time, so I'll try to have it. And one more thing, if you want to improve your psychology about the money, try reading this. So I hope you will be having a good time. Okay, till then, keep watching the charts, do trade safely, because nazar hati durghatna ghati. Thank you.